Welcome to Discovery at Home. Today we have a really fun activity for you. It is solar rainbow dances. How can we make a rainbow dance and let alone dance in fun patterns? Well, all you need are a couple pieces of paper and an old CD. The first thing you need to do is create a paper snowflake from one of your pieces of paper, because then you're going to put it on top of the shiny part of the CD and you're going to tape it to the CD so that it stays on and it covers that shiny part, just like that. Then you're gonna head outside when it's a really sunny day. You're gonna hang up your piece of paper outside. You're gonna move your CD, your snowflake covered CD, so that the sun hits it and redirects the rainbows onto your piece of paper here. And you'll get to see so many fun patterns made out of rainbows. It's really, really cool to do. And then once you get the rainbows on the paper there, you can twist it, rotate it, move your CD back and forth to make the rainbows dance on the paper. So much fun, so much science. Happy experimenting. This has been Discovery at Home. We'll see you next time.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Evergy.
Thank you to Evergy for making Discovery at Home possible.